Okay, my dear student, welcome once again in our standard 8 mathematics chapter number 14 factorizations exercise number 3. In previous sessions we completed exercise 14.1 and 14.2 sums. Easy. Before starting our today's session, let's do our silent prayer, physical and mental exercise. Yes, my dear students, you can do the physical exercise in sitting position, sit straight. Then after you can move your head left and right side, up and down side, and then after you can see what the things are common. Isn't it? Yes, we are knowing the things are not common, but you can say this is the very good exercise for our neck, eyes, ears, hand, wrist. Okay, up and down. So my dear students, I hope so you are ready with your stationaries, notebook, fair book. You just check out the answers and then write down the questions and answers. It is my best advice to write the question first. That means you can complete your fair book easily. Leave the lines for the answers. Question with black pen, answer with blue pen. This is now we are ending up our course also. One more lesson we have to complete, but that is very easy lesson, and I hope so you are knowing about now factorizations. If you know the identities, you can write the answer very easily. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, you are knowing the use of identities. Okay. So here is the question number 1 of exercise 14.3. It is having the 5 questions. They ask us carry out the following divisions. Here, first term is 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. In previous exercises, we completed addition, subtraction and multiplications. Now division. Division is nothing but I can say how to write. Isn't it? Perfect. Now look at the first question. First question's answers are here. 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. Easy? Perfect. So my dear student, you can find out here first solution of the exercise 14.3. First number, it is written here 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. In place of that, we can write number under number and variable under variable or alphanumeric value A, B, C, D. X square means x into x, same way x raised to 4, that means x into x into x into x 4 times. 1 time is down, or we are knowing the identities whenever both the base are common and it's a division, the exponent will be subtracted. Same way, 28 to the 56. Can we cut it or not? Why not? We can cut it. See how it is cutting. 28 1s are 28, 28 2s are. Isn't it? And here is the 4 and here is the 1. So 4 minus 1 which gives you a 3. Isn't it? So here you can get 1 by 2 x raised to cube. Sometime you can find out the answer like this also. Don't worry about x cube divided by 2. This is also final answer. Or you can say 1 by 2 x cube. Isn't it? Here it is written perfectly the identities of exponents. Whenever the base are common, x raised to m divided by x raised to n, which gives you a x raised to m minus n. So n is the 1 and m is the 4. So 4 minus 1, or you can say x raised to 4 minus 1, which gives you a x raised to 3. That's why the x raised to 3 came over here. I hope you all got the idea how to do this one. Isn't it? And you can factorize 28 as a 2 into 2 into 7. Same way here you can divide it. 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, cut it the numbers, you are having 1 by 2. Is it? Okay. So I hope you got the clear idea regarding the first question's first answer, or you can say first solution of the first question, exercise 14.3, standard 8, chapter number 14, factorization. Look at the second one. It's so simple, 9 and 36. Directly you can cut it now. Very good students. Yes. And y square and y cube. So y cube में से square गया बेटा, कितना बचा? 1 बचा, तो -4y is the answer. Okay. Third one, 66 pq square r cube divided by 11 qr square. Okay, 11 and 66 are coming in 11 table. So 11 1s are 11, 11 6 are 6. Okay, p cut. No, p is the common factors of the numerator, but q is the downside. No p is present. So p has remained q square r cube. So q will be cut out and r square will cut out. So q and r will be left. 6 pqr is the answer. We can use the same phenomena in bracket given because of x raised to m divided by x raised to n, that gives you x raised to m minus n. This all the identity you should have to use for the things. 34 and 51, yes, 17 table both are coming. 2 upon 3 x square y is the answer. 12 a raised to 8 b raised to 8 divided by -6. Yes, my dear student, once again you are knowing a minus number remain the minus. Look at the question number 2. Question number 2 is nothing but divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Monomial means single term. Yes. And then after binomial means 2 terms. Trinomial means 3 terms. Is it? Okay. Now look at the first question. 5x square minus 6s is divided by 3x. Here monomials is divided the binomial or a trinomial, whatever is there. So here you should have to check out this divisor is divided both the terms. So 3x is divided with 5x square and 6x also. What is the sign? You have to keep it as it is. Is it? Yes. My dear student, you can know what are the terms. Terms are here which is given to you for multiplied. So 3x is divided both the numbers. So 5x square divided by 3x minus 6x upon 3x. Easy? 3x first time minus sign this one. Okay, 3 will cut and then after, yes, 3 not there, only x will cut. So 5 upon 3x minus 6x, that means 2 3s are 6 and x will cut, so minus 2. Okay, so we can take out 1 by 3 outside, inside 5x minus 6. If you are writing the previous one, that is also correct. So don't worry about this answer is right or wrong. If you reach it here 5 by 3x minus 2, that is also your final answer. Second one, 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by some number. Sorry, just a minute. Okay, first one is over. We can check out for second one. Yes, it was rewind for you to check out what will be the final answer. Yes, that is also one correct answer. Yes, my dear student, there is a second method you can check out, x common out and then 1 you can see. Here, my dear student, this y raised to 4 is divided 3 terms. A trinomial is divided by monomial. So 3y raised to 8 divided by y raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 6 divided by y raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4. Is it? Yes. This y raised to 4 is divided by this term and this terms. And whatever the sign, you can keep it between there. Yes, y raised to 4, y raised to 8. 8 में से 4 गया बेटा, 4 बचा. So 3y raised to 4. 6 में से 4 गया बेटा, कितना बचा? 2 minus 4y स्क्वायर 5y रेस टू 4 डिवाइड बाय y रेस टू 4 दोनों कट हो गया बेटा, तो क्या बचा इधर ओनली 5 विल बी द लेफ्ट. इज इट करेक्ट? Now look at here 8 1 8x raised to cube plus y square z square plus x square y raised to cube z square x square y square z cube divided by 4x square y square z square. So many students are afraid about this one, whatever to write, square, cube, x, y, etc. But when you are putting the practice, it will so easy and funny, and it gives the magic of the maths. Fourth one is here, x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. 3 terms are divided by 1 term, means trinomial divided by a monomial. Divided by 2x for each the terms, you will get it a 1 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay. Fifth one, p raised to cube, p cube multiply by q raised to 6 minus p raised to 6 q raised to 3 divided by p raised to 3 q raised to 3, p cube and q cube. Both the terms are divided by that one. You can find out p cube minus q cube. Yes, my dear student, that is also minus numbers. Question number 3. Work out the following divisions. 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Yes. So same way here, both the numbers are divided by 5. Or you can take out one common. 5 will cut. What is the left? There is a 2x minus 5. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. First of all, take out the one common one, 5, then 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5, both will be the 5 will be the answer. It's a so simple questions. 10y 6y plus 21 divided by 5, 2y plus 7. So 10y 6y plus 21. First of all, 10 and 2 will be cut out. Yes, very good student. And 2y plus 7 upon 2y plus 7, because in first term 3 will be the common. So 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 cut, 5 will cut, 5 will cut. Isn't it? 2y into 3, that is a 6y is the answer. 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. कैसे कर दिया बेटा? Yes, my z minus 8 will be the common for all the terms. Yes, cut it, then afterwards you will get the xy is the final answer. Fifth one, same the things you have to follow it. These are the questions related with SSC. So don't afraid, it's little bit hard for to understand, but put the practice which makes you a very easy method. 10 ABC will be the final answer. Yes, correct. A minus 4 will be cut, a B minus 6 will be cut, 3 will cut, 4 cut, and then after 12 cut. Only the 10 ABC will be the answer. Question number 4. Divide as directed. There are 5 questions, my dear student, and you can find out what are the answers. Is it? See, 5 into 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Here, my dear student, check out what the things are given and what the things are will be cut out. The things are cut out here is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. The wall bracket will be cut out, and the cut out bracket means these are the multiplied method is given. Suppose here plus 1 given, then we cannot do anything. Isn't it? Yes. So it will be the different answer. But here 5 into 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 5. Nothing given, that means these are in multiplications all together. And then after divide, and then second term 2x plus 1. Okay, correct. So this 2x plus 1 will be cut out. Only the 5, 3x plus 5 will be the answer. Isn't it? Correct. Now look at here. You can see the second one. 26xy in bracket x plus y, y minus 4 divided by 13x, y minus 4. Yes, 13 to the 26. X will cut, y will be the left. Correct, beta? In place of that, you can write down 13 into 2xy. Then after 13x you can cut out. You are having the 2y and x plus 5 because y minus 4 will be cut out. Third one, 52 pqr multiplied by p plus q, q plus r plus p divided by 104 pq, q plus r plus p. Oh, I see. It's a so simple one. You are getting the answers. Fourth one, 20y plus 4 multiplied by y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. That is the answer is here with you. Question number 5. It is having the 7 questions. Question number 1 is here on your screen. Y square plus 7y plus 10. I am taking more time to explain first 1 or 2 examples. Afterwards you are having the command, you are knowing the method, you will get out the 4 answers easily. So first one, y square plus 7y plus 10. As we know, you have to divide a 10 or factorize 10 with sum or difference will be 7. 5 to the 10 and 5 plus 2 7. So our answer is here 2 plus 5. So 2y plus 5y plus 2 into 5. Common one are there, y plus 2 and y plus 5. Is it correct? Now check out who is the common one here. Yes, y minus y plus 4, y plus 4. Find an answer. What is the left here? Y plus 2 is the our answer, isn't it? Or you can say x square a plus b x plus ab is the our phenomena, our answers. Is it clear? So you can check out y square plus 7y plus 10. So once again I remind you, it is the factor of 7 to get it additions or subtraction. So 10 factors are 2 and 5. But 10 ones are 10. 2 factors will be there which are multiplied with number. So 5 plus 2 will give us a 7 and 5 plus 2 is the our factors. m square minus 14m plus 32. 32 कैसे दो फैक्टर बनाओ या दो मल्टीप्लिकेशन चेक करो दोनों नंबर कि जिसका एडिशन 14 होना चाहिए या सब्ट्रैक्शन 14 होना चाहिए. Yes, 16 2 जा 32 and 16 minus 2 will give us a 14. But here minus 14 is there. That's why the minus number will be taken out. Big number is minus 16 and small number is plus 2. Whenever the question arises for the minus, you should have to check out the sign. For plus sign, there is a no problem. Isn't it? Same way here. Third one, 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Okay, my dear student, 25 कैसे लाएंगे कि जिसका दो पार्ट करेंगे कि जिसको 20 मिलना चाहिए. So, it is not possible 10 to the 20, 21 are 20, 25 will not come. But you should have to check out here one more exercise I want to explain. Here first number is having also one number. In here all the numbers have not, only last number is there present. 32 is there. But here 5 is also there. 5 and 20 you have to multiply first. 5 into 20. This gives a 100. 100 का ऐसा दो भाग बनाओ बेटा. इसका एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन 25 मिलना चाहिए. क्या करेंगे बेटा? 20 into 5 करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 100 बराबर है. तो 20 plus 5 करेंगे तो 25 मिल जाएगा कि नहीं मिलेगा? Yes, that's why here 20 and plus 5. Isn't it? Or both the numbers are minus. That's why we are taking both the minus 20 and minus 5 is the factors. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, it is easy. So easy. Isn't it? That's why it is given minus 20p minus 5p plus 20 p minus 1. Out of this first term 5p is the common, then p minus 4 will be the left, minus 5 p minus 4. Look at the fourth question. 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 plus divided by 2yz plus 8. My dear student, once again I want to explain here. 16 means 4 4 is 16. Okay, 4 plus 4 8 हो जाएगा, नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. 8 2 is 16. Yes, 8 में से 2 गया तो मिलेगा आपको 6. So our answer is 6 8 plus 2. सो 8 प्लस 2 मीन्स 8 प्लस 2 10 होता है, तो 8 माइनस 2 करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा 6. वाई? बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू गेट 6 हियर, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इट हियर 6. So 8 minus 2 if I will do, then automatically I will get 6, and I will multiply 8 into 2 is a 16. Is it? Yes. So my final factorization is 4yz z minus 2 into z plus 8. Okay, z plus 8 will cut, z plus will 8 cut. 2y will be cut. Here 2 will be the left and 2z. So 2z in bracket z minus 2. Why? Because of this terms is showing the because of x square plus a plus b x plus ab is our identity. Using this one we are getting a final answer. Is it correct? Now look at here, the same phenomena I am using to get it the answers. Is it? Because of x square plus ab x plus ab, z plus 8 will cut, and 2y from the denominator, numerator 4y is there, that means 2z will be left. Fifth one, 5p cube p square minus q square divided by 2p p plus q. Out of this one you are knowing p square minus q square is a p minus q, p plus q, 1 cut it. Sixth one, 12xy 9x square minus 16y square. Oh my dear student, here you should have to use perfectly this phenomena. Is it? Yes, this phenomena you should have to use. Why? Because you should have to know which is the right answer. Is it? Yes. I will not start 14.4, but I want to show you here this exercise clearly. Okay, so here a square minus b square. Oh, sorry student, once again I am taking out very fast. Oh, very good. Yes, my dear student, I am taking here my pen, and check out a square minus b square will give me a minus b, a plus b. So 3x square. Why 3x square? Because here it is given 3x, 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So 3x and 4y all square, which gives me a 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 4. Because I want to cut 3x minus plus 4, 3x plus 4y, both will be the cut out. Only 3x minus 4y left, and here 3 3 will be the answer. Is it? Okay. Look at the here next question, last 7th one, 39y cube 50y square minus 98. Out of this, if I will take out 2, so 25y square minus 49, and 49 is the square of 7. Is it? That's why I am taking the 7, and 2 is the outside common. Okay, 5y square minus 7 square, can I write out over this one? A square minus b square. Can I take it here? A square minus b square. Yes, correct. Now 5y minus 7, 5y y plus 7. So 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 will cut out from here. And can you see here 26 and 39? Yes, 13 2s are. Yes, y square means y square will cut, 13 3s are. Oh, I see. So 2 and 2 will cut. 2 and 2 will cut. Here y cube, that's why 3y will be the left, and 5y minus 7 is the final answer. Is it? Perfect. So without wasting our time, we are using the identity s square minus b square, and out of that 50y square minus 98, 2 will be the common. Take out 2, you are having the 25y square minus 49. See, final answer is here. We end up our exercise 14.3. Yes, my dear student, it is so easy. Now look at here, easiest exercise of this lesson, 14.4. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. 4x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. So here, my dear student, this 4 has to multiply with 4x, and then 4 has to multiply with 5 also. So final answer should be 4x minus 20. So here left hand side and right hand side are equal. No, these are not equal given in the question. That was the error. Easy? Yes. Question number 2. Find the errors in the mathematical statement. Easy? Yes, my dear student, it is easy. So x is multiplied with here, it is also an error. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. 2x plus 3y which gives you 5xy. Sorry student, here both the terms are different. Here is a 2x and here the 3y. So x and y are the different. If both the places xx or yy, then only it's a 5xy. Here is the wrong one. Question number 4. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. X plus 2x plus 3x. So 2 plus 3 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6x will be the answer. Same way here, 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 में से 1 गया तो बेटा 1 बचेगा. Answer रहेगा 1. Here it's a 0. So this is also wrong. Here the correct answer is like that way. Find this one mathematical array. Correct भी करने का बेटा हर बार. May I explain is yes. That are the both one are the plus one. We cannot multiply it. Whenever it's a multiplied, then and then only it is possible. 2x square whole square means 4x square plus 8x plus 7. So 2x square की जगह पे 4x square है वो गलत है. Okay, find and correct it. 2x square means 4x square plus 5x. That means 4x plus x is equal to 9x. Wrong है बेटा. Because both the terms are different, but this second term is correct. Afterwards it's correct. Ninth one. Yes, my dear student, all square means 3 squares plus 2. Yes, and then after the we can just simplify it. When you are simplified, you are having the answers 3x square plus 6x or not. Yes, my dear student, just check out. Left hand side is given 3x plus 2 square is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x into 2 multiply both a and b plus b square, that is a 2 square, that gives a 9x square plus 12x plus 4, which is the right square. No, it's not right. So what is the right answer? 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is the right answer. Is it correct? Now look at here. This is the correction. Question number 10. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. Substituting x is equal to minus 3. माइनस 3 रख के हमको चेक करना है बेटा और क्या आंसर मिलता है. तो आंसर मिलेगा 15. इसमें माइनस 3 रखेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा बेटा माइनस 2 एंड इसको मिलेगा माइनस 24. लेट्स चेक इट. लेफ्ट साइड माइनस 3 रखेंगे क्या मिलता है. राइट साइड माइनस 2 मिला, बट हियर आंसर इज 15 आर गिवन. दैट मीन्स अ रॉन्ग वन. सो व्हाट इज आवर फाइनल आंसर? द फाइनल आंसर इज माइनस 2. Whenever you are putting the value x is equal to minus 3. Easy? Yes, perfect, clear. Second one, B. Left hand side is given x square minus 5x plus 4. In place of x we can write minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3, that gives you a 9. Yes, minus 5 into minus 3 gives me a 15 and plus 4 which gives you a 28. But in our question that is a different one. Final answer is this one, C. Left hand side is x square plus 5x. Put the value and find out the find and correct errors in the following statement. Minus 9. Yes or no? Sorry, this is the wrong answer beta. First, yes, y square plus 9 minus 6y is our answer. Not answer, but we can say it's a wrong one. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. Correct. Z plus 5 square is equal to z square plus 25. It is also wrong one. Final answer is with you. 13th question. I am moving very fast because this types of question is only correcting. So you can check out your identities. Prepare the chart for the identities and remember all life. Every time it is very helpful to you, and see the questions and write the identities one by one. So this is also not right. Our final answer should be plus. Find and correct the statement a plus b a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 8. Sorry, this both one has to multiply together. A has to multiply with a plus 2 and b has to multiply with a plus 2 also. That final answer is a square plus 8, 6a plus 8. 6a is missing. How it came? Because this is the multiply both the numbers. 4, what is a b? Yes, a plus 2. Let's say 4 is there. A minus 4, left hand side. A minus 4 is 15, answer is here. A square minus 8. Given in previous answers. A square minus 6a plus 8 will be the answer. A plus 4, AB knows that. 16th one, 3x square upon 3x square is equal to 0. Sorry beta, this is a 1. Answer is a 1. x को डिवाइड करके 1 मिलता है, तो 3x square और 3x square को डिवाइड करेंगे क्या मिलेगा बेटा? 1 is the answer. Last 17th one, 3x square plus 1, 3x square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Sorry beta, 3x square is to 1, 1 plus 1, that's a 1. Okay, correct. Here what you have to do, 1 upon 3x square will be the answer. 1 plus 1, not 2. Find 18th one, 3x is divided by 3x plus 2. Sorry, this is not a 1 by 2 is answer, because these are the both terms are different. Only 3x upon 3x plus 2 is the answer. 19th one, 4x plus 3. 3 को कट नहीं करना क्या बेटा, दोनों को साइड में चलेगा. 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1 plus 5 upon 4x will be the answer. Is it? Yes. So you are having the good practice of this all questions very fast. Divided by 5, that means 7x upon 5 plus 1. Yes, that is a wrong answer given. Statement is wrong. Our answer is 7x upon 5 plus 1. Thank you, and thank you. Here we end up our sessions and lesson also. Bye bye.